Hi everybody, it's Julie. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I'm going to make a quick little video for our mini challenge in the challenge. This is our first mini challenge in the challenge for July. And we are going to make a 3 envelope, make something out of 3 envelopes. Okay, so 1 item out of 3 envelopes. This is separate from the big challenge. Okay, so you're going to use 3 envelopes to make something and then use junk to cover it. I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm going to make for my base this time. And so I am going to do an accordion kind of little booklet this time. Okay, so I'm going to back my pieces. Let's do this way. Right? Okay, let me... Okay, this is the front. And this will be the second piece, okay? And it comes in that way. And then this is the third piece, and it's going to come in this way. Okay? So it's going to be a fold up. Okay? So we have this piece, okay? Our envelope. And then we're going to add this piece. We're going to go ahead, we're going to attach this to here, and we're going to make it into a double tuck. Okay? Double tuck right here. So what is a double tuck? A double tuck, we go ahead and add our glue at the bottom and across here. And of course that glue didn't want to help me, didn't want to do it. So we're going to go across and across here. You can do the same as me, or you can come up with one of your own, however you want to do it. So we're just going to go ahead and put that flap there. Okay, and what that does is that gives us 2 places to put things. Okay, just like a regular double tuck. Okay, and then I'm going to open this, and what I want is I want this piece to come backwards. And so I am going to go ahead and go flap to flap here. Okay, so flap and flap. My flaps are going to be inside on both sides. Okay, let's go ahead. We'll put this flap in first. I'm just going to put the glue down. And you can see I've been collecting as I've been going through stuff. I've been collecting Patriotic or red, white, and blue items that I can go ahead and I'll be able to make a little insert about today. Since we don't have fireworks, we don't have the parade that we usually have, or the barbecue, or any of that kind of stuff, I think this little thing will be able to tell my story in my personal journal. So, of course, remember that, you know what? No, we want the pocket. Okay, so we're going to put that in there. You might use some plastic to help hold that closed. Let's get the glue off. Okay, so this is what I'll be using, okay? Okay, so it will open like this. No, it goes like this is what I want. Sorry. Okay, so we need to fold this down. It's going the opposite way of what it thinks it should go. Okay. And so we'll open it. We'll have a pocket here, a pocket here, And over here we'll have a double tuck and a pocket here. Okay, so for this pocket, I am going to go ahead and cut it like we've been doing. And so get in here and cut this up. And that will give me, I'm going to call that a lean-to tuck. It's like a corner tuck. Okay, so I'm going to do this and then I'll clean it up. Okay, there. Okay, that will give me that. Okay, so we'll have that there. Then, I have a couple of just regular ones, and I'm thinking I have these that I can go ahead and decorate and maybe strengthen the pocket that would be here, but this could also be a tag that can go in here when I decorate it. So this is going to be my base. Okay, so I have my 3 pockets, 3 envelopes, 2, 3. I have a lean-to tuck here, and I have a double tuck back here. Remember, again, this is going to close like this. We could even open it this way. So, okay. Now, it's kind of interesting that we got there. Now, you remember, I've done things where I've taken note papers. Okay, so you could do this and put them inside, and if I needed more room to write, I could go ahead and do like a little waterfall. And you could actually bind papers into your envelope. Done that. And so there's just a lot of things here that I found as I was going through stuff. So I'll show you the things. I have Your Vote is Your Voice. That was on some junk mail. And I have these notepads. This came from, I think, Boys Town or one of those. This card also came from Boys Town in the stuff that my dad got. This is, well, these are from the jeans I just bought my husband. These are, I've got 2 more of these. These are from some paper clips that I put into the last kits that we made. That's from the envelope. This is from the post office. There's that. Stickers. These are also from the Boys Town. Yeah, Boys Town stuff. Okay, so there was a couple of envelopes of their stuff. Some more of the... I have a red composition book cover. This is from 2018, but I thought, oh my gosh, these would be great as ephemera in there. So I will probably continue this as next week's mini challenge in the challenge. So this week you are to collect your stuff for it. Doesn't need to be 4th of July. But collect your junk items that you're going to use for it. If you're just going to be making it to go into your challenge journal, then that's fine. You can just use your challenge journal stuff. And your rules of what the junk is the same as the big challenge. Okay, so you are to make some kind of folded little thing out of at least 3 envelopes and get it ready to be decorated. Okay, and I did want to show you, I do have in the shop a Patriotic kit, and there's still a few left. So some of the things you get there's beads in here, there's some washi, you get the stars and the stripe washi, you get a hair tie and some ribbon, you get a little, one of these envelopes, okay, one of these things they were from Target, right? And it's a pocket, and then it's got stamps and little flags and stickers all in it, and you get a Pottery Barn sample thing and some cards and tags. Okay, so cards, tags, look at that, those papers. It's those papers, some paint chips, some of the note papers, a flashcard, some little posty things, guest checks, the things to do, and this glassine bag. Okay, so all of this is in that kit. Then you get several papers. Okay, so several papers. You get a page out of the Americana. They're all different, so everybody gets different page. You get, look at that's already folded and ready. This is some more papers. Here's one already folded and ready for you to make a little journal. And so, you know what? Maybe a napkin. Do it now, do it later. Red. Another napkin. Shine like stars. So note papers. I mean, this is a great little kit. This is some of that bakery paper. Red and white striped. Some of my noisy paper. An envelope. A time card. It's black on one side, red on the other. This great tissue paper. Oh my gosh, you guys. You get a quilt square pack. Okay, everybody gets a different one. And it has a charm in it. Everybody's is different with the little charm. But you get fabric to use. And you get these 4th of July stickers. You guys, these are while they last. And I will be shipping out on Monday. So, yeah, you get all of that. And, you know, the full-size little washi tapes there to be able to make your patriotic, whatever you want to make. Yay! Okay, so that is available in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. And I can't wait to see how you take your 3 envelopes and turn them into something for the mini challenge and the challenge. And again, part 2 will be next week. We will go ahead and cover it. So you can go ahead and start covering yours and just know that you're doing your part 2. So post it in the post that says mini challenge in the challenge number 1. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye. Oh, the animals are all busy outside, so bye-bye. Have a great day. Bye.